trouble with my camera, so hopefully everything will be alright. Today, do my usual different look. First product I'm using is Rimmel Fix and Protect Primer. Right, step 1. Step 2, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. Okay, eyes. I'm using the I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. London Revolution. There it is on the back. And they're the colours. I'm going to use fingers for this because these are foils. So we will start on the outside, and the outside, because I feel it, green. This one here. I'll just use it on the outside. Same on the other one. Don't need it down there. Okay. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. Now on the inside, I'm going to use this one here. How's that? Do a clean up. Sometimes it's easier to do your eye makeup with your fingers. Because we don't want to go overboard. Okay. Now I'm going to use the Rimmel Wake Me Up. There you go. I can get the shine off it. And while that's drying, I'm not too sure about the outsides. When that's dry, I might come back in. I'll do my eyebrows, and of course I'm using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow pen. So okay, now I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow again, into that green. This green. And just deepen up the outside. Do the other side again. I'll clean it up that off. Now, bottom lashes. Sorry for the top of my head. Now just going in on the inside corner, I'm going to use this one here. Just a dot on my little finger. Like that. This one. Yep, that works. And next I'm using the Rimmel Makeup Perfection, whatever it says. Can't read it. Concealer under my eye. Squeeze it up. There it is. This is just to do the cleanup. Because unfortunately when I do the mascara on my bottom lashes, I stick it into my eye, and what do you do when things get stuck in your eye? You wince. Okay, now I'll go in with my foundation brush. Blend it in. Okay, second coat of mascara on my top lashes. Bronzer. I'm using the MCoBeauty bronzer. Blush is the NYX powder blush, and the colour is Peach. Now just for a bit of a clean up, just go underneath. Highlighter, I'm using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter. The colour is Moonlight Pearls. Now just for a point, when you're doing, apart from my eyes today, but when you're doing the blush and the bronzer, hold the brush as near to the end as you can. That way then you get that gentle, soft touch. You hold it further down, it's like you're painting. You're not painting, well, technically you are, but you just want it to be light. So just lightly. Okay. Lips. Just checking. I'm using I'll find the words, it's that way. Lip liner. Maybelline. Yep, that way. Liquid lipstick. I did look at the colour, but I can't remember. Doesn't matter. It'll be in the description box below. There you have it. It's easy. Shall we look at the eyes? Of course. Thanks for watching.